Hi. So, I bought myself a drone. Yeah, I bought a DJI FPV, and the thing with FPV drones is that they are actually pretty hard to fly. Or, well, they are easier to fly than your normal drone, but because they are so much faster and more capable, you kind of want to do more tricky stuff with them. So I went to this local store and bought to buy the drone, and I was fortunate enough to get a guy at the store who was actually very knowledgeable with the drones. And he asked me that had I ever actually flown a FPV drone before, and I said no, this is my first drone. He looked at me for a while and said that okay, before you're going to fly this drone in manual mode, please fly a simulator first for at least 100 hours. And I was, okay, let me do that then. Although I was like thinking that, okay, 100 hours might be a bit excessive. But I think that guy was right. So here you are seeing a flight in drone racing simulator. This track is of medium difficulty, and I'm flying it. As you can see, so far okay-ish. It's not like a perfect flight, but anyway. I've been flying this simulator for about 10 hours now, and to get this recording out, it took me about 2.5 hours of flying, and it's still far from being perfect. There's gonna be some errors very soon in this recording, but this was the best I could get out. So consider this: if you're flying like a real drone with a manual mode, which means that there's no assistant features at all available, then doing like there, you can see now what happened. So basically you would crash and you would break your drone. Like this, what's going to happen right now. Boom, my drone would have been trashed. So please use a simulator. If you buy an FPV drone and haven't ever drawn one before, you're gonna say thank you to yourself because of that, because you're gonna save a lot of money.